Here's an update video on the front loader project that I'm working on. I will go more in depth in this video of how the whole thing is set up. Now, I'm powering this thing with a 2-cylinder diesel engine. It's a Yanmar off of a Thermo King APU that is powering everything. It's driving a hydraulic pump that's down here, this one right here. This drive shaft is driving that pump. It's a 2-stage hydraulic pump, so it gives me a sort of a low gear and a high gear. It's doing 3,000 psi at 5 or 6 gallons per minute, and also at 650 psi it'll give me 25 gallons per minute of flow. So I can, when there's no load on the thing, it can move a little faster. When there is a load on the thing, it can increase the pressure and reduce the flow, giving me more torque and more lifting force. Now I'm on the other side. I've got this valve that is getting pressure directly fed from the pump in here, and this is responsible for my drive, forward, backward, and also my steering. My steering is set up with a cylinder acting as a drag link that is pulling and pushing this knuckle to turn the wheels left or right. That is all done through this joystick. So this is a joystick valve, two-way valve that is basically responsible for drive and steer. Now the outlet of this valve is going to the other valve that I've got set up, and that is responsible for lift and also tilt. And that basically runs through these cylinders right here that are lifting this up and down. And this is running off a pivot system. So this whole chassis is pivoting off of here. Right here is what's holding everything down to the main chassis. These cylinders are rated at 35,000 pounds each, and so I've got 2 of them that gives me 70,000 pounds of pushing force at the pivot right there. That does not mean I have 70,000 pounds in the front, because it's a class 3 lever, and in a class 3 lever it is a mechanical disadvantage system. I'm only getting about 60% of my actual pushing force that I'm pushing with here on the front end. So with all that said, I'm still able to theoretically do about 50,000 pounds of lifting in the front, but there probably is a mechanical limitation to that because of the way the whole system is put together. I think if I do 50,000 pounds of lifting over there, something is going to break. So I'll probably limit this thing to maybe 25,000 pounds. Now for my drive setup, I've got that motor right there driving